Dear friends, exams are fast approaching, so we need to be well prepared for that. In this video, let us see how to excel in MBBS practical examinations. First, understand the format of the examination, know what the exam structure is like. You have a long case, maybe 1 or 2 short cases, then there will be viva, then there may be OSCE in your depending on your college and university structure. So, please know that well beforehand from your seniors or from colleagues or from teachers. Go through that past practical exam patterns and marking schemes, so that you can plan and prepare accordingly. Then master the clinical examination skills. These are skills, so can't be learned in a day or two. This has to be mastered over a period of time. So, especially in medicine or in surgery or OBG, you have a lot of examinations to do, so many signs to elicit. It's better to do on your family members, friends, roommates first before doing directly on the patients. So, I would highly recommend you practice all those examination techniques, reflexes, maybe for the heart sound, pulse, how to measure a pulse, palpation of the abdomen, all those things you can do it on your known people first, so that you have all the cooperation from their side also. Then perfect your history taking. I have seen so many students hesitant to take cases in your clinical postings because they do not know the proforma. So, know that proforma first, and then without any hesitation practice taking clinical cases by history and with examination. Follow this proper format whatever is given to you in your colleges, and follow all the prerequisites before examination. That is what checked in your exams. Okay, examiner will be keep looking at observing you, how you do the examination. It is not the final diagnosis or the final demonstration of science is what important. How you approach to a case is what matters the most. So, while approaching, please be empathetic, please be courteous to the patient. So, examiners notice your patient interaction skills. Improve case presentation skills. Structure your case presentation properly. Your presentation should be like a storytelling. You should narrate the story of the patient to the examiner. Okay. So, narrate all the history and then to all the examination findings in favor of a diagnosis, avoiding any discrepancies in between. So, you should be able to summarize even at the end of the history and at the end of the examination with all the positive findings. You should be able to summarize. So, keep it very concise and confident, avoid all unnecessary details. And after that, after any long cases or short cases, you will have spotters and OSCEs, wherein there will be separate stations of instruments, X-rays, and then specimens, operative procedures, and maybe immunizations, vaccines, all those things. So, learn the normal things first, how a normal X-ray looks like, all those things. Then you can easily find out the abnormal ones. Develop a very systematic approach while interpreting anything. ECG interpretation, there is a rule. A radiograph interpretation, there is ABCD rule, inside out, outside in rule. There are some particular approaches to interpretation. So, know them. Okay. So, you can also practice them using some flashcards or visual memory aids for rapid recognition using your online resources. And please be well prepared for the viva. There are some common type sets of questions asked in viva, like basic concepts, some applied knowledge, some recent advances also can be asked. So, anticipate them and be prepared for that. Golden rule is that if you do not know an answer, do not get panicked. Stay calm and composed, and try to face the situation boldly. Do not become nervous or do not sweat out. So, what you know first, tell and then you can admit that, sir, I am not so sure, or then you can say, I do not know, sir. Okay. Work on presentation and professionalism. Yes, you are a doctor, you are going to be a doctor soon. So, work on your behavior. Wear a neat apron and carry a stethoscope and ID card, which are the essentials for any examination. Maintain a very good body language, having eye contact with the examiner, stand straight, and then address the examiner respectfully and formally. If examining a patient, explain your steps beforehand, before demonstrating the signs to the examiner. So, ultimately in any exams, confidence with clarity will give you higher scores. Manage your time wisely and also stay stress free. You have to practice for this. Smart time management is the key, because 30 to 45 minutes will be allotted to you for taking a case. So, if you on exam day, it will be directly difficult to do. So, you have to practice this beforehand under this time schedule. You should be able to take any case history along with the examination. So, practice, avoid last minute cramming, revise key cases regularly, so that that pro forma is ready visually, it's imprinted in your memory. Stay calm and composed with the deep breathing skills, and a calm and composed students always impresses the examiner. Okay. So, these are the key is to excel in your examination. So, please be well prepared and do well in your examinations. Thank you.